Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am sharing very healthy, instant, super soft, tasty burfi that melts in mouth like butter. This ragi burfi is very simple and quick that can be made in just 15 minutes. And this is the best snack during dessert time for growing kids. If you are new here, welcome to Homemade Flavors. If you like this recipe, please consider subscribing to Homemade Flavors and press the bell icon for more healthy and interesting recipes. To start with, heat the pan and add 1 teaspoon of ghee or melted butter and measure half cup of finger millet flour or ragi flour and roast this on completely medium flame. Keep stirring continuously so that this is not burnt. After frying for a minute or two, now add 2 tablespoons of suji or semolina to this finger millet flour and fry along with this finger millet flour. Finger millet or ragi has very impressive nutritional profile containing all essential macronutrients, fiber, fats, proteins and carbohydrates along with micronutrients, minerals, vitamin C and E to boost the immune, skin and hair health. Here our finger millet and suji are well fried and nice aroma is leaving out. So now switch off the flame and measure half cup of jaggery. Now take a separate vessel and add this half cup of jaggery and now add 1 cup of water to this jaggery and allow the jaggery to melt on low to medium flame. This jaggery is loaded with antioxidants and minerals like zinc and selenium, and this is also rich in iron. Here after 2 minutes this jaggery is completely melted and dissolved in water and this water also started boiling. So now remove this water from the stove and switch off the flame. Now transfer this water. Here I am filtering to strain any impurities. So now filter like this and add to the finger millet flour. Here I added this jaggery water when the flame is off. Now mix this. Now at this point switch on the flame when you are mixing this finger millet flour with jaggery water. From here onwards cook this on completely low flame till the end and keep stirring continuously so that it is not burnt. Finger millet is an excellent source of natural calcium which helps in strengthening bones for growing children and aging people. Now here I am adding ilachi powder and fried cashews and 2 teaspoons of ghee. In the beginning we added 1 teaspoon of ghee to fry the finger millet flour and here again I am adding 2 teaspoons of ghee and now give a good mix. Here after 2 minutes you can see this is almost cooked. Now at this stage finally I am adding 1 more teaspoon. So in total we added 4 teaspoons of ghee to make this ragi burfi. After adding this last teaspoon of ghee also give a good mix and allow this to cook. Once this is completely cooked it starts leaving the ghee that we added and also it is forming into a ball shape when we are folding this with a spatula. Here you can see this kind of ragi mudda. So now switch off the flame and transfer to a plate that is greased with a little amount of ghee. Spread this onto the greased plate evenly and allow this to cool. Here I applied little amount of ghee on the back side of a vessel and I am pressing this with this vessel so that it will be firm and stiff. After 5 to 10 minutes this is completely cooled. So now cut into desired shapes. With this our healthy, instant, super soft, tasty ragi burfi is ready in just 15 minutes. Here you can see the texture of the burfi and this is super soft that melts in mouth like butter. So friends, try making this healthy instant ragi burfi and do let me know in the comment section how you liked about it. If you like this recipe, please consider subscribing to Homemade Flavors and press the bell icon for more healthy and interesting recipes. This is Rupa signing off for today and see you in the next video. Thank you.